So I bought some new RAM, and the package I got is quite a bit bigger than I expected, so I figured I would do an unboxing of it, because this is just strange. I mean, I bought 2 RAM sticks, and I mean, really? Could fit the freaking laptop in here. Also, I don't know why I brought the knife out, because you can just rip these parts up. Let's see if I can. There we go. Rip it out. Mainframe? Yeah, sort of. You piece of candy. Do throw these in. Really? All this packaging for this? Come on. Okay, and this is rather funny. Huh. Well, this RAM is always something. How do I open this without totally wrecking it? Seems like there's tape. There we go. You may want to put the knife down before I stab myself in the crotch or something. Ooh, hello! That's rather nice. How do I... oh yeah, there we go. It's quite the big heat sinks on these. Yeah, not bad. A couple of 4 gig sticks. I bought these because originally I had these sticks in, and I got Crucial Ballistic Sport sticks, and I started out with a 4 gig set in my machine, and I figured that I wanted to upgrade to 8, so I bought 1 more, and my motherboard just hates to run these sticks in the old channel. It blue screens after like 6 minutes or so. So I had to buy something else, and these are supposedly very good for what they cost. This is about 70 euros or something like that. It's pretty cheap for what it is. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.